I'm just saying, I know there's someone out there who has this same shirt. I'll buy that person a beer.
Oh, okay. I have my Hakuna Moscato.
And I have a Hefeweizen.
Yes.
Cheers. This is a Bibbidi Bobbidi box video.
Yes. We got our second one. We got the one for May in June.
Well, that's because of when we started.
I'm not complaining. I'm just saying that's how it rolls. That's how it rolls when you live way out west.
We're way out west?
We are way out west compared to Florida.
We're in Colorado. It's not that. Okay, so we've shown the box before. Here it is.
Yeah.
Jennifer keeps trying to peek over. All right, you ready? You ready to go?
Yeah, I was going to get my camera ready so I could take some pics.
All right. Oh, there's like confetti. I don't like confetti.
Eddie don't like confetti.
We're done. Stop.
Stop. We've seen this in other, who's unboxing did we see? Oh, was it, I'm going to say their name wrong. Doofily? I'm so sorry. Crew, we love you. I just can't say your name right. One of these days. The Little Rescuers, one of my favorite. Actually, this was the first Disney movie I think I can recall seeing at the movie theater. It was either this or Apple Dumpling Gang or, oh, what's the one with the Pete's Dragon? One of those. Aren't those all in the 70s? Sorry.
Yeah. Per all unboxing videos, we always start off with the spoilers.
No, we don't. So,
no?
Why don't you almost open that up? So this says Bibbidi Bobbidi Society. Heads held high, touch the sky, bringing you magic of Disney. I can't read because I've already had several sips of wine.
Maybe next time I'll do the reading.
Through storm and rain and dark of night, never fail to do what's right. That is a good point.
I was trying to keep him down.
Uh-oh.
I was trying to keep him out.
Copper.
All
Okay.
Right. Hey, buddy, you got to get down. We're opening a box.
Yeah, he's licking the box. Okay.
He's going to get confetti and swallow it. And...
Gosh, we'll be up at 2 a.m. He's farting glitter.
Like those trolls?
Yeah.
And by trolls, I mean my in-laws.
Hey, honey. It's not nice to speak of dead.
All my in-laws are dead? I don't have in-laws that are alive? I don't have a sister-in-law and a brother-in-law?
I guess when you say in-law, I just automatically go to parents.
Yeah, that's not what I was doing.
Okay.
You just made this darker than it had to be. Way to go.
Way to ruin
Everyone
it.
just turned off and went, this is getting dark.
Okay, so what do we got? I tried to edit and change up our preferences, but we're having some issues, so maybe next time.
Oh, wow. It's a Jim Shore.
I love Jim Shore.
Look at that.
Okay, so first of all, it's Mickey Mouse, so that's cool.
Oh, there's confetti all over the floor. No, sir.
Oh, it's a vacuuming. I just vacuumed a couple days ago. Oh, so how perfect, because he's a patriotic Mickey, and look, oh, he's adorable. It's patriotic Mickey.
I'm going to get that tattooed in my ears.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What are you going to get tattooed in your ears?
The little blue squares.
The little blue squares? Okay. He's cute. Look, he's crisscross applesauce. Aw, that is adorable. That's going to go perfect in my office with the rest of the Jim Shore.
Wait, is this our bling box too?
Oh, it is. Whoa, folks.
I'm dropping stuff all over the floor. It's not pretty.
You're going to vacuum.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. You probably have to take something out. Oh, yeah, you did. Uh-oh.
Might need new batteries. If those won't open for my head. I'm on steroids.
Mickey Mouse. Is that Mickey and Minnie? Sorry, I couldn't tell. No, it's just Mickey. It's a Mickey. So they've got some kind of, I don't know.
Probably need to change the batteries. I don't know what it takes.
This is the Disney exclusive. Oh, it's ages 3 and over. Hey, Eddie. It's too bad you can't wear these.
IQ, it works.
Okay.
All right, looks like we got one more thing here.
So this is like patriotic time, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, summertime, 4th of July.
Oh, yeah, a month from today, right?
Yeah.
Okay, they had to wrap this one up in bubble wrap and some purple wrapping.
Knocking
It
over
seems
the Jim Shore.
star-shaped.
Star-shaped?
Mm-hmm. Star-shaped sneech. It's an ashtray.
No. Oh, and look, it's a hidden Mickey. Oh, that's cute. It's like I could put my jewelry there.
It's seriously an ashtray.
No.
So the other day I was at Disneyland, right? They got this new whole Star-Lord world. You can get some blue milk.
Star.
It's not doing my voice any good talking like that.
Your throat. So those are the items. So do we want to see what the spoiler alert says?
Yeah, in case I missed something in there.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so the Disney Tradition Jim Shore. You want to hold that up? $17 for that little guy. He's cute. Okay. This is the Disney Parks exclusive ears headband, light up Americana. It's $18.77 for that.
Does this seem like it moves?
It might. You see how they have the little
No, that's too much work.
it is too much work, but oh, you got oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, what happened?
I don't know.
There. Oh, cute.
That is pretty darn
It is pretty.
cool.
I don't know if I could wear them though. The parks.
In fact, earmuffs, that's pretty damn cool.
Those are cute, but they're a Disney Park exclusive. Those are really, I love
Do those
that.
fit you though?
They do. They're just a little heavy. I mean, I'm kind of used to being top heavy, but.
Oh yeah, you're wearing those next month.
Am I? I like how you say, oh, you're wearing those next month.
Well, I can't,
You
or
can-
else I would.
Oh, you mean next month, like here. I'm sorry, not next month. We're not going, man, I need to get off of this wine. It
What
is
do you
really
think I was
messy.
talking about again?
Like, wearing it on a trip.
No, you haven't even had like half the glass of wine.
I actually put more in there.
Anywho.
Oh, wait.
Continue on.
Okay, and then the Disney Parks Americana trinket dish is $12.99. So total,
Ashtray.
the total
Mike Wazowski.
retail value is $48.76. So we get what? We get the least expensive of the Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes. I forget which. Wait, does it say on here what it's called? Oh, Dreams. So normally, what is the? Is
I think
it?
it's like $40.
Is it $40? So
I was
48.
gonna check my phone, but we're recording with it.
Hello.
Let me just stop recording.
$48.76 was the total retail. Your total retail value. We can play Prices Right sometime. We should do that.
I love it when you drink. I get yelled at less. All right, so while we're here, I guess we can do our pin box.
Yeah.
Last time it came
2
separately.
and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1.
Right?
Okay. Yeah.
So there should
Yeah,
be
Copper's
two
trying to get
pins
a-
in here.
It should be.
And our first pin, the Auctioneer.
Oh, is it? It's from Pirates.
Oh yeah, remember that we saw a video that had like the sports teams, like with the rides. Remember, like, I had one for Haunted Mansion, but it's kind of like a sports team.
I don't know, guys. Look. Can you see that?
So it's the Auctioneer from Pirates of the Caribbean, right?
Yeah.
This other one's my favorite. I already see
That's
it.
cool though.
Out of all the pins we've gotten from this, which I know is only 4, yeah, this is my favorite.
Okay.
This is my fave. It goes with your ears.
Okay. American Legend. Ooh. That one actually is still on the Disney Parks backing. You know? This has the Bibbidi Bobbidi box little pin.
Yeah, that's my favorite of the pins. Now, my favorite gift out of the box, since I can't wear ears because I have this head the size of an overgrown watermelon, it's got to be the Jim Shore.
Yeah. Wait, what was? Oh, that's right. The ashtray was the other thing. I was like, you didn't like that?
And you're wearing the other thing.
Well, I know that.
Okay, I just don't know how much you've had to drink. I feel like I'm watching one of James Platt's videos.
OMG. Okay.
Drinking around the kitchen.
So what out there, what is your favorite item that we got? Is it these cute little ears? Was it the cute little Jim Shore Mickey Mouse?
Was it the ashtray?
Or was it the cute little trinket tray? Trinket.
You know, I always loved your brother more than you. Sound like my grandma.
And then which one of the pens did you like? Did you like the Auctioneer? Or did you like an American Legend?
So, like, subscribe, comment.
Share.
Let us know what you think. This guy wants to say hi or
Oh
bye,
my
whatever's
goodness.
going on. He's all over me.
So in case you're checking us out for the first time or you're not aware, we are on Twitter. I am Jenny the Pooh 71. That's Jennie the Pooh, like Winnie the Pooh, except it's Jenny the Pooh 71. And you are
Eddie watches MLB.
as in Major League Baseball. Yes, and I'm also on Instagram with the same handle, Jenny the Pooh 71. So you should check us out on those platforms if you have not already. Follow us, and again,
Did you already say Facebook too?
oh yeah, we're on Facebook, Ears Etc.
Have another one, you lush.
These are kind of starting to hurt a little bit. They're starting to
Well, then we better wrap it up. Stay tuned for more tall
and
tales.
short stories.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Ooh, doggy breathalyzer.
Yeah, you're drunk.